Ranked number 2 in Michael H. Hart's book, The 100, a ranking of the most influential persons in history, Isaac Newton is considered one of the greatest scientific minds ever known. Born in England in 1643, Newton showed extraordinary curiosity from an early age. His studies at Cambridge University opened the door to discoveries that would transform our understanding of the natural world. Newton's greatest achievement was his explanation of gravity. Through his research, he developed the law of universal gravitation, showing that the same force that pulls an apple toward Earth also governs the movement of planets in space. He also introduced the famous 3 laws of motion, which became the foundation of classical physics and changed the way we understand movement and forces. Beyond physics, Newton made groundbreaking contributions to mathematics through the development of calculus and advanced the field of optics by studying light and creating the reflecting telescope. Through his discoveries, Isaac Newton helped begin the scientific revolution and left a legacy that continues to influence scientists around the world. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more videos.